Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to draw and color a ladybug who is painting mushrooms in rainbow colors. So we'll start first with the sketch. I make a baseline, I leave 2 fingers from the bottom and I make a line over here like this and make an upside down U over it. I'm just doing a line sketch for the mushroom. Now over here I add another line sketch for the mushrooms. And I will darken up these lines later on. Right now I'm only adding a very light sketch this way. Now I make the fair lines here. As you can see, now I'm darkening up my pencil. I make the bottom portion of the mushroom like this and darken up the top line here as well. And similarly I do the same for this mushroom as well. Make a very thin oval for the bottom portion of the mushroom, add the stem like this. Notice how the stem is thin at the top and thick at the base. I also add drips over here. As I told you in the beginning, we are going to draw a mushroom that is being painted by the ladybug. So these are the paints that are dripping from it. Similarly, I make another tiny mushroom over here at the base as well. Now sketch the ladybug. Make a line like this for the body of the ladybug. This ladybug is behind the first mushroom that we sketched. Make a circle for the head of the ladybug and over here add the line like this on the scalp. The curve over here like this for the body of the ladybug and add wings like this on the ladybug this way. I'm adding the hand of the ladybug over here. Here the hand of the ladybug is holding the brush as well. So over here we make this line like this and another line next to it forming the holding part of the brush, the handle portion, and I add hair on top of it, add some details, and we are done with the brush. I also add details on the hand to show that it is holding the brush. And now I add eyes, nose, mouth for the ladybug here. Antennas as well this way. Now add lines like this. These lines will be very light as these are the guiding lines to divide the colors of the rainbow on the mushroom. Same thing here as well and on the little tiny mushroom that we made as well. Adding few more details like the polka dots on the body of the ladybug, the veins on the wings and some details on the brush as well and the front portion of the body of the ladybug. Draw lines like this for that. Double up the lines for the hand as well. Once you're done with the sketch, take an eraser and very lightly erase all the sketch. You don't have to completely erase it, but you have to make the sketch a little lighter. Let's start with the coloring portion. Take out your crayons and using peach color, color the face portion of the ladybug like this over here. Make sure you're applying ample pressure so that the white spaces do not appear. They just disappear. They are just hidden by this peach color and you also do not have marks of the strokes of crayons that you're adding. Everything should blend in and use only one direction of strokes. Next I'll be using black crayon for adding the eyes, nose, mouth and the eyebrows here. Using red crayon, you add blush on the face of the ladybug here. Use the same red to color the red portion of the ladybug over here. Again, make sure you're applying ample pressure. Color this portion in dark tone of red. take dark brown color and color this portion of the ladybug. I will first outline it and then I will start coloring it lightly. Here I am using medium tone of dark brown color. And I will also darken up each stripe that is present on the ladybug. Using black, add a little bit of shadow under the face and under that red covering of the ladybug. And using that same black color, you color the hand of the ladybug. Use black color for its hair. Color the antenna of the ladybug using the same black color. Use yellow ochre or dark yellow color and outline the wings like this. Outline the wings, add veins of the wings in dark yellow color like this. Apply a lot of pressure while doing this. And when you're coloring inside it, make sure you're using very light pressure. It will be in light tone. Next, using black color, color all the polka dots of the ladybug here. Next, color the paintbrush that the ladybug is holding. Start with red color, then apply light blue color over here, and then you take light green color. Use yellow color for this area here. Next, take dark brown color, add some details over it, outline the bristles of the brush and also outline the entire handle portion of the brush and also fill color in it very lightly. Again, use black color for the hand portion of the ladybug, the hand that is holding the brush. Use light blue color to add at the top of the mushroom here, this way. So use red color for this portion here. Orange and then yellow. Basically, we are adding all the colors of the rainbow. Next, I use green color. Again, light blue color. Now I use brown color and add it at the bottom portion of this mushroom, that is the inside portion of the mushroom that is visible to us, and it will be dark from where the stem of the mushroom is coming out and lighter as it goes through the other side. I'm also using dark yellow color over the same thing. Next, for the stem, you use yellow ochre and add lines like this and add some shade over here. For this, we run our brown color over it to give it a little bit of color, because yellow was becoming too light for this. Now, using the same technique, you color the second mushroom as well. I start with orange for this part. this mushroom, I'm adding color in this kind of stripe. The stripes are slant. The same technique and color the third mushroom as well. Now use light green and dark green color for the bottom portion of this picture. Using light green color, I'm adding these kind of strokes for grasses. This way. Once I'm done with it, I take yellow color and add it over here. This way. To make it lighter. Next, take dark green color and add strokes like this here. We're adding a little bit of depth in the grasses. And that's it. We are done with our picture.